Okay, next we're going to inspect and replace the air filter. It's very simple. This is your air filter housing. There's spring-loaded clips that will release the cap. Release these two caps, you pull it off. There is an indication on the end of the cap which way it goes on. It says up right on the air filter cover. Simply pull your filter out for inspection. If your filter becomes discolored, or if you tap the filter and you see dirt coming out of the filter, it's time to replace that filter. You want to put the open side of the filter into the housing. Don't put the open side out, that's bad. You push it to the back. You again look at the cap, it says up. You're going to put that so that it faces up. Right here. You're going to reach around with your clips and secure them. And your filter is now replaced.